Hello and welcome to the new Toastmasters 2.0 website. I'm Rick Lake and I'm a member of the Sweetwater Valley Toastmasters. I'm the webmaster. First thing you see are headlines and stories that your club can put in. Your webmaster might want to work on this. Now let's look at the main menu. This is the home page, which you're on right now if you look at where my mouse is clicking. Next up, meeting information and directions. Let's click on that. What you see is directions to the website and Google Maps, which a user can click on and find out more information. Contact Us right there allows non-members to type in their name and email address, and of course any questions that they might have for the officers that are designated as the contacts. Meet our members. After you log in, you can choose to show your information, your picture, and your Facebook and YouTube links. This is important right here. The club calendar. The club calendar should show important events in red, and when an agenda is updated and presented, it'll show up in blue right here. And you that it has information that the webmaster or administrator can type in, followed by an item-by-item agenda. These agendas are incredibly easy to fill in. All you have to do is pull down the names after you've created the initial agenda. There are a number of other links. After we go back to the home page, there are a number of other links that you can add that provide more information. Next up, let's try logging in. Next up, we're going to show you how to do your initial login and set up your password. You should receive an email just like this one right here. It has a welcome and the link to the club. If you read this email further, you'll see this link right here where you can find out more about how to use the website. But for right now, let's click on this link right here, and that should take us to your club's home page. Next up, go down. You've already looked at this home page, but let's go down and click on Member Login. It'll ask you to enter your email and then select your name. So I just enter my email, which I received already. Now you shouldn't even have to type all of it before it shows your name. Click there. Now it'll then show your user number, which is totally irrelevant. It's just for the website. And your password is blank. That's how we want to leave it. We want to leave it blank, because what you want to do then is click Authenticate and Login. This is important to remember. If you aren't sure about your password, just leave it blank, click Authenticate and Login, and you'll receive an email that'll allow you to change your password. So let's click Authenticate. It'll say, please check your email. So let's close. I'll be right back. You just typed your login, your email address, and then you typed Authenticate on a blank password. A few moments later, you should have received this email. Let's click on this link and go back to the web page. It takes you to this screen right here where you type in your new password. Type it in twice and click Set Password. Your password has been saved, and now you can close to continue, and you are now logged in as a member of your website. Here you can look at meeting agendas. In fact, you can create and add your name to websites. Even more, if you're a speaker that week, you can choose the manual speech, type your title and your introduction, and that will be available for the Toastmaster to read the following meeting. Going back to the member-only list, mentor-mentee request form allows you to select your options if you'd like to mentor other members or you'd request help. Next up, you look at club email addresses. This is a very nice site. If we look at the initial click right there, you can send a member's email to everybody. You can send it to just the officers, to the individual officers, the guests, or contacts, or admin, the webmaster. Next up, edit your profile. This allows you to show your information, to type in your information so that it's correct, and choose whether you want to make your profile public or not. Click yes if you'd like to show your name to non-members, and this would be a good way of promoting businesses. So there are the important things in the members only section. Showing how to look at agendas and change agendas, how to edit your profile and update your information, and those are the primary things that are important. So, I showed you the initial website, showed you how to log in. Now, enjoy the website, use it to communicate with your fellow members and get lots of information. Thank you very much. This is Rick Lakin.